Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Excuse my voice. I'm currently sick with COVID and I'm still trying to get over that, but I did want to try to go ahead and get this video recorded for you all. And that is, the differences between the different cases that you can get for the Remarkable 2. Now in this case, I've essentially purchased the type folio that they sell for it, as well as the book folio that they sell for it. And then I have this mystery case that I got off Amazon for about, I want to say under 20 bucks. So we'll see how that holds up against these two. Does it look nice? And go into that. So starting with the Remarkable 2 type folio, this one will set you back $199. We'll move on to the next one, which is the book folio. This one will set you back about $169. I'll have to double check, but you're looking at $170 essentially. And then here with the cover that I got from Amazon, it feels like it's made out of plastic, but we'll see in just a second. This will set you back $20. So I'll go ahead and dive into the differences between these three folios. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one that I just got off of Amazon. Okay, well, it doesn't feel like plastic, but I can see there it's already a bit damaged, which sucks. Yeah, but hey, for 20 bucks, this is what you get. And yeah, let's see how big it is compared to the folio that you get with the Remarkable 2. Looking at it here, I can see that it's slightly taller. And if I were to put this one on top of it, I can see that the Remarkable folio is a bit wider. I'll swap it around. But yeah, the Remarkable one's a bit wider, essentially. Enough of that, let's go ahead and grab the Remarkable and see how it looks inside each of these. Before I grab the Remarkable, I'll just open these up and give a look at what each one looks like. It's essentially what you get with the $20 case that I found on Amazon. Pretty simple, nothing going on at all, but then again, it's only $20, right? If I open up the Remarkable one, it is supposed to be made out of a premium leather. It does have this spine in it as well, and then it also has these 4 magnets that you can see. Looks nice. It's the clean look, and then boom. Also jumping over to the type folio, I can see again this one's not, it doesn't feel like it's made out of the same, this doesn't feel like it's made out of leather. It's a bit more of a flexible material, making it easier to fold all the way back like that, which is nice. But it still has those 4 magnetic connectors as well as this spine column. If I were to position this like that, well, then I would have access to the keyboard that this folio features. And to undo that, you just pull in the bottom, lift up. And so I think that mechanism is really nice. They really thought about the design when they were making this. I will say the type folio out of these 3 is definitely the heaviest. Feels like you're essentially holding, it might be a little heavier than the Remarkable 2 on its own without even having the Remarkable on it. But yeah, it's definitely the heaviest out of all of these 3. To get started, I'll grab the Remarkable and I will insert it into the $20 case that I just got off Amazon. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Wow, I didn't even realize that, but another thing, this thing got beat up again during shipping. You get what you pay for though. Do the magnets hold pretty well? No? Okay, if you shake too hard, it will fall. But then again, it doesn't have like deep grooves for those magnetic pins to really lock themselves into. But initially it didn't fall, so. One thing that I will say that I notice is when I have this one positioned and here, unlike the book folio that you can purchase from Remarkable for this tablet, the top part doesn't magnetically against the screen. And so you can see that it's sort of open a little bit. Tablet's talking still. Yeah, so that's that. I'll go ahead and take that off. And now I'll go ahead and insert this into the Remarkable book folio. You can see that clicks right in with the spine, falls in place with the magnets. And if I close it, it's seamless. If we take a look at it there, really nice, really flush. And that's because there's magnets not only on the top part, but also on the bottom part. And overall, this leather material just makes this case really light, which means you don't feel like you're adding too much weight putting the Remarkable in here, which is really nice. All right, lastly, I'll go ahead and insert the Remarkable into the tight folio case. You can see I'm struggling to open it with one hand. And that's because the magnets, they close even when there's nothing in there. Again, oh, I had to break something. All right, now that I have it open, again, super easy. It just slides into the spine, clicks with the magnets, and you're set. Now, if I wanted to close it, I'd be good to go. I can see if I hold it like this from the back with one hand, it stays flush because all of the magnets are connecting, if that makes sense. I'm sick, give me a pass. Now, if you wanted to utilize this in a sense to where you were using it as a keyboard, well, one, you can easily rotate it all the way back like that and just use it one-handedly. But one thing you will notice with this case as opposed to the other two is that there's a significant amount of weight increase. So it's not the most comfortable to hold like this, but it is solid when you want to go to hold it like this. There is just extra weight there, so expect that. If I was to utilize these two sides here and reposition it like that, well then boom, you see I have the Remarkable on there. It's in position. I could go ahead and start typing away. But yeah, that's really it. But what are my thoughts between the three of these cases? So, well, first off, I wouldn't recommend the Amazon one. It's just cheap, not designed well, but I'm sure there's some other ones out there that might be better quality. Again, I only paid 20 bucks for this and it wasn't worth it. But out of the two Remarkable cases, the Tight Folio case as well as the Book Folio case, I just feel like they're overpriced, with the Tight Folio sitting at $199 and the Remarkable 2 Book Folio sitting at $169. It's just insanely overpriced. The most I'd say they should charge for the Book Folio would be like $79, and then for the Tight Folio maybe $100 or $110, something like that. That I would see reasonable. Because I mean, with the Tight Folio, at least you get a keyboard. But for the Book Folio, all you're getting is a notebook made of leather that has magnets in it. That's it. And neither one of these cases come with a function that allows you to securely carry around your pen. You're just relying on that magnet that doesn't hold up very well, and I've dropped this quite a few times due to the weak magnet in it, just not securing so well. But yeah, all right folks, well that is the end of the video. I hope you found this video helpful towards whether or not you decide to go with the Remarkable tablet or to go with another third-party option. If you're interested, I will have a link to both of these folios in the description. As always guys, thanks for viewing and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.